Okay, so the unit that we will be applying today is from Alley Pearl. It was actually a 22-inch, but it is a small cap. I am a small, but I needed it to be on an extra small head, someone who was about a 19 or 20-inch. We colored this hair just to do a test run to see how the hair colored. And I did find a model who was actually a 20-inch, which made it perfect for that extra inch. So she is an extra small, so the unit will fit her perfectly. Okay, so I'm going to place it on her head because like I told you guys before, if you're using glue product or even glueless product, depending on how the wig is made, you don't want it to slip back because the sides don't cover properly. If you feel like you're tugging at your wig on the sides, it will slip back. So I have to find a model who this unit would fit on perfectly. So now I'm just lining it up so that I can check it and show you guys the fit on it. If you watch my other video, you saw that I measure myself. I'm a 21, which is a small, but she's even smaller than a 21. She is a 20, which helps out a lot. That's a whole inch. Okay, so in here, I'm going to clean her scalp. I'm going to use makeup wipes. Then I'm going to go in with the Bold Hold Skin Protect. And then I'm going to dab it. Do not rub, guys. On her application, I'm going to use the Bold Hold Liquid Gold. Okay, so I'm going to use an actual spatula to apply it. Sometimes I use my finger, but since I'm doing someone else, I'm just going to go ahead and use the spatula so I can get it nice and flat. I'm going to do it on both sides, making the layer very, very even. If you want to do 2 layers, you can. I usually just do 1. Okay, so I'm going to dry it a little bit using warm air. I'm not trying to dry it totally, probably like 20 seconds, just enough so that when I do lay the lace on there and I finish drying it with the dryer, it will hold the lace perfectly. I'm going to start in the middle and then I will do the sides after that. Okay, so once it's on and dried totally, I want to go ahead and cut the remaining excess lace. What I did was part it. Always part it first because if you don't part it, you'll end up with short hair. So I want to cut around that ear with these stork scissors. That makes it so much easier. Now I'm just going to go across the hairline and comb it back just using a little bit of the liquid gold. I'm going to tie it down and then I'll proceed to curl her hair. Okay, so most time I mold my wigs down with mousse and put it under the dryer, but if I don't, I feel like the pressing comb will get it nice and flat. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in and put in a few layers. If you would like to see a layering cutting video, I have one on my channel. I'll actually link it as well. And she turned out beautiful. I'm so glad I found a model that this wig would fit on because it's so pretty and I really like how it turned out. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and hit that post notification button so you know whenever we're posting videos.